Did you know that just one tree can absorb up to 48 pounds of carbon dioxide a year? Imagine the impact if we planted millions of trees. We often hear about climate change and pollution, but what if I told you the simplest solution is right in front of us: trees? Yes, trees can literally help save the planet, and today I'm going to show you how you can be part of this movement. Let's dive in. Why planting trees is a game changer. Trees are more than just a pretty part of nature. They are life givers, oxygen makers, and climate change fighters. Every time you plant a tree, you're helping to provide oxygen, which is vital for all living things. Clean the air we breathe by filtering harmful pollutants. Support wildlife by giving them food and shelter. And don't forget, trees are natural air conditioners. They cool down our environment by providing shade and releasing moisture into the atmosphere. So, planting trees isn't just a hobby, it's a powerful way to protect our planet. How trees help combat climate change. We all know climate change is a huge issue. But did you know trees are one of the best natural solutions? Here's why trees absorb carbon dioxide, one of the main drivers of global warming. They take that CO2 and store it, keeping it out of the atmosphere. They also help to cool down cities and towns. Urban areas without trees can be much hotter, but when we plant trees, we cool things down naturally. And don't forget, trees prevent soil erosion and improve soil quality, keeping our land healthy. How to plant a tree? It's easier than you think. All right, now that we know how awesome trees are, let's talk about how to plant one. It's super simple and anyone can do it. Choose the right tree for your area. Not every tree thrives in every location. Look for a tree that will grow well in your region's climate and soil. Ask at your local garden center if you're unsure. Dig the perfect hole. Dig a hole that's twice as wide as the root ball of your tree, but not too deep. This gives the roots space to spread out and grow strong. Backfill and water well. Once your tree is in place, fill the hole with soil, making sure to pack it down gently. Give your new tree a good soak with water. It'll need plenty of moisture as it establishes itself. Where to plant trees for the biggest impact. Where you plant your tree matters. Here are some tips to ensure you make the biggest difference. Plant in areas that need them most. Urban spaces, areas hit by deforestation, and spaces prone to erosion can really benefit from more trees. If you're not sure where, there are local organizations that can help. Plant in groups. A single tree is great, but a group of trees can create a mini ecosystem. When trees grow together, they can support each other and provide even more benefits to the environment. Plant where you'll enjoy them. Want to make tree planting even more rewarding? Plant in places where you can see the trees thrive, maybe in your backyard or a community park. Watching them grow is a reminder of the positive impact you're making. Planting a tree is one of the simplest and most effective things you can do to help protect the environment. It's not just about today. It's about creating a better, greener world for future generations. So why not grab a shovel, pick a tree, and start planting? You'll be amazed at the difference one small tree can make. Let's plant for the planet together. Ready to make a change. Share this video, grab some friends, and start planting trees in your community today.